Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to some new AI tools that can make your life easier and more efficient. AI technology is rapidly advancing, and these tools are just a small example of how it can be used to enhance our lives. So without further ado, let's dive into these amazing new AI tools. AI Writing Assistant. Have you ever struggled with writer's block or spent hours trying to perfect a piece of writing? Well, our first tool is an AI writing assistant that can help you overcome these challenges. With this tool, you can get suggestions for more impactful words, better sentence structure, and even personalized writing style recommendations. It's like having a writing coach by your side. AI Image and Video Recognition. Do you have a huge collection of photos and videos but struggle to organize and find what you need? Our next tool is an AI-powered image and video recognition tool that can automatically tag your media with relevant keywords, making it easier to search and organize. This tool is especially useful for businesses and content creators who need to manage large amounts of media. AI Virtual Assistant. Our third tool is an AI virtual assistant that can help you manage your daily tasks and stay organized. This assistant can take care of scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and even responding to emails. With this tool, you can free up your time to focus on the more important things in life. AI Language Translation. Do you struggle to communicate with people who speak different languages? Our final tool is an AI language translation tool that can help you overcome language barriers. With this tool, you can translate text or even have a conversation in real time. It's like having a personal translator with you wherever you go. And there you have it, 4 amazing new AI tools that can help you in your daily life. With AI technology advancing so quickly, we can only imagine what other exciting tools are yet to come. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI updates. Thanks for watching.